All eyes on me. Live life of a thug nigga until the day I die. Live life of a boss player. All eyes on me. Live life of a thug nigga until the day I die. Live life of a boss player. It's even getting hot. Hey, to my nigga Pac. Live my life as a thug nigga until the day I die. Live my life as a boss player. It's even getting hot.
Соңғы қоңырау естілді. Ұзақ күттің сен бұл күнді, бірақ енді қошты салмай. Сезімге ендім бір түрлі. Үй алмай қара мектебіңе, уақыттың сонша өткеніне. Медлячок, чтобы ты заплакала, и пусть звучат они все одинаково, и пусть банально и не талантливо, но как сумел на гитаре сыграл и спел выпускной ты в красивом платьице, и тебе вот-вот 17 лет. Я хотел тебе просто понравиться, и как сумел. I just woke up from a dream where you and I had to say goodbye, and I don't know what it all means, but since I survived I realized wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I'd wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. Lost in the words that we scream. I don't even wanna do this anymore, 'cause you already know what you mean to me, and our love's the only war worth fighting for. Wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I'd wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you, right next to you.
Ну вот и все. Как и хотели, как и мечтали, школы больше не будет в вашей жизни. Вы выпускники. Поздравляю. Вас ждет новая взрослая жизнь. Больше не будет уроков по 45 минут, не будет ваших одноклассников за партами, смеха на переменах, приключений на свою жопу, не будет больше ваших учителей, не будет больше вашей первой школьной любви. Все это уже в прошлом. Это прекрасное, отчасти беззаботное время уже не вернуть.